Transforming the Snikei Webflow theme into a digital masterpiece that screams your brand is surprisingly straightforward. Let's dive into personalizing the Snikei theme to perfectly match your unique vision, step by step. First up, Colors. Navigate to your Styles panel and locate the color settings here. You can effortlessly update the primary, secondary, and accent colors of the Snikei theme. Click on any color swatch, and a spectrum will appear. Choose your desired hue and saturation to instantly reflect your brand's palette across the entire site. Next, Fonts. In the Styles panel, find the typography section. You'll see options for headings, body text, and more. Click the font dropdown. And Webflow offers a vast library of Google fonts to choose from. Select your preferred font for each text element to establish your brand's voice and readability. Now, let's fine-tune the layout. The Snikei theme is built with flexible sections. Select any section in your navigator. And in the Styles panel, you can adjust padding, margins, and even alignment. Dragging elements within sections or resizing them using the visual handles allows for complete control over spacing and composition. Specific design elements are also a breeze to modify. For instance, to change an image in a hero banner, simply select the image element and click Choose Image. In the settings, to update button text, click directly on the text within the button and type your new message. This hands-on approach makes personalization intuitive. With these simple yet powerful techniques, you can truly transform the Snikei theme into a bespoke website that stands out and perfectly represents your brand.